Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all Indian weight loss diet plan for women over 40 to 50 in which we'll aim weight loss of over 10 kgs gradually. Recently my lots of clients asked for this type of diet plan suffering from perimenopause, menopausal issues, other medical issues ranging over the age of 40 to 50 women, and trust me, the results were tremendously well. With the proper balanced nutrition plan, they were able to of course aim for a better weight loss and yes, were surprised to see miraculous results towards their skin benefits, hair health benefits, and a lot of other things as well. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306522, and we'll be starting your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey happening. So without any delay, let's get started with Indian weight loss diet plan for women over 40 to 50 to help you lose 10 kgs gradually. Now this diet plan will not just contain weight loss tips and tricks or the weight loss meals, but definitely things which can help you with the brain development, with prevention of blood sugar spikes, at the same time low GI foods that help with collagen boosting properties, skin benefits, hair health benefits, blood purification, and a lot of other things. So starting with the early morning drink, for which I'll be giving you two options here. The first option is you soak half a teaspoon of methi seeds overnight, and in the morning you just simply add half a squeezed lemon to it and drink it empty stomach. Now this really works as a hormonal booster and works amazingly well for your hair growth as well. Second option is you can have jeera water. All you have to do is either soak jeera 1 teaspoon overnight in 1 glass of water, or if not soaked, then you can simply boil 1 teaspoon of jeera in the morning in water and have it empty stomach. This is a natural metabolism booster, so you can try out these two options for your early morning drink. Proceeding towards our breakfast options for this diet plan. The first option will be, of course, you can have something rich in protein and along with good satiating food as well. So I'll be giving you three options here. The first option is you can have moong dal chila. Now you can have approximately 2 moong dal chila. The recipe is completely shared on my channel. Along with that, you can have green chutney or coconut chutney, or you can even have tea or coffee as per your own habits, but try adding no sugar to it at all of any kind. For protein along with it, you can have 1 boiled egg if you can have eggs along with it. If not possible, then you can skip and have 50 grams of roasted paneer over it as well. Now this is a wholesome meal for breakfast which helps you keep satiated for good time of your day, and also good protein and complex carbs stable your energy and lower your cravings. Second option is you can indulge yourself into vegetable upma or dalia, or you can use ragi instead of the suji or rava. So now vegetable upma focuses towards more your vegetables and less of your dalia or ragi. So focus towards that, and along with that you can have 5 soaked almonds and 1 walnut as well. And the third option is you can have oats vegetable chila. The complete recipe of my oats chila is already shared on my channel, which requires very minimal ingredients, and the entire recipe can be prepared in under 5 minutes. So do try out these options for your breakfast and let me know how you felt about this. Proceeding towards our mid-morning snack option, which comes between our breakfast and lunch time around 11 to 11:30. If you do feel hunger pangs during this time, the best option for you would be to indulge yourself into a cup of freshly brewed green tea or any kind of herbal tea, be it chamomile tea, be it peppermint tea, or any kind of tea which you would like to indulge yourself into for antioxidant boost and to give yourself a good hydration as well. And plus along with that, you can have a low glycemic index fruit. It can be either guava, apple, papaya, orange, but no bananas or mangoes or juices. They tend to spike insulin, and especially over 40. Proceeding towards our lunch option for this diet plan, which comes around at 2 p.m. I'll be giving you 2-3 options here. The first option of my personal favorite is having a balanced nutritionist thali, which consists of either rice or roti. Now what we will do here is we'll create a balanced nutrition diet lunch meal for you, which consists of good amount of fats, proteins, complex carbs, and definitely lots of fiber. Now you can have 1 to 2 chapatis made of multigrain flour. It can be either ragi, bajra, jaw, jawar, or a mix of all of these. Along with that, you can have bowl of dal or chana sabzi or rajma sabzi as per your own choice, plus of course salad and curd. These are mandatory options. Why curd? Because it's probiotic in nature. Salad, make sure it contains cucumber, tomato, carrot, onion, some amount of beetroot for it as well, because beetroot helps you purify your blood, and also anemic patients should definitely add beetroot to their diet every single day. Now second option for you would be of course rice. If you like having rice during this time of lunch, then you can always indulge yourself into having half a cup of cooked brown rice. Along with that, you can have dal or chana or rajma or chicken curry, egg curry, fish curry, or if you're non-vegetarian, of course any kind of curries. Along with that, you can have have, of course, bowl of curd and salad. This is a wholesome meal in it. If you want to have some green leafy vegetables like lauki, bhindi, palak, cabbage, you can obviously have it along with that. But make sure more vegetable, more sabzi, more salad, more curd, and less of the complex carbs. Make sure to top up your dal or sabzi with 1 teaspoon of ghee over it. It should not be added directly over carbs, but make sure it's added to your sabzi or dal or chana curry or any kind of sabzi. It aids in digestion and also helps you prevent constipation. Proceeding towards our evening snack, which is mid-evening snack, which comes at 4 to 5 p.m. If you do feel hunger pangs during that time, you can have herbal tea or green tea again, or black tea or black coffee as per your own choice. Along with that, you can have handful of roasted makhanas. Approximately, I would say 30 grams of roasted makhana can help you get good amount of vitamin K, E and calcium as well. Along with that, you can have half a piece of dark chocolate. Why dark chocolate? Because it definitely helps as a mood enhancer, and also 75% of cocoa works amazingly well to give you good boost in your collagen boosting properties as well. Helps you suppress your sugar cravings too. Proceeding towards our dinner option for this diet plan, you can have your dinner by 7 to 8 p.m. which satiates you with a light and protein rich option. Now I'll be giving you 2-3 options here. My personal favorite is the vegetable soup. It works every season. I have lots and lots of soup recipes on my channel. You can have tomato zucchini soup, lemon coriander soup, all veggie soup. Along with that, make sure to have some good paneer tikka along with it. Now this satiates your protein content also and your fiber intake also. The complete recipe of my paneer tikka is already shared on my channel, which requires very minimal ingredients. Recipe is super quick and tasty as well. Proceeding towards our second option, which would be you can have either saute vegetables with grilled paneer, as I've showed the complete recipe here. I'm adding lots and lots of freshly seasonal vegetables to it like zucchini. You can add broccoli, carrot, capsicum, bell peppers, of course grilling them all in a grill pan. You can also saute them, or you can also simply use it an oven or air fryer to cook them. Along with that, I'm also grilling some paneer and of course seasoning it up with some black pepper powder, roasted jeera powder, pinch of salt, and using Greek yogurt as dressing. Works amazingly well. And the third option can be for all of those who love having chicken at night. So you can have grilled chicken or grilled tofu if you don't like chicken. Along with that, you can have some saute vegetables. It's a wholesome meal of protein and light fiber intake as well. So do try out these options and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. Of course, now we'll proceed towards our nighttime drink option. Always prefer to have a bedtime drink which relaxes you, soothes you well, and gives you good amount of immunity booster as well. I'll be giving you 2 options here. The first option is indulge yourself into having chamomile tea. Now 1 cup of chamomile tea can boost your energy levels, also give you a relaxation and calmness towards your mind and stress levels, and boost your metabolism as well. Second option, if you cannot have this, you can always replace it with warm haldi tea or haldi milk. Replace your normal milk with almond milk at night. It also gives you a dairy sensitivity problem relief and also gives you good weight loss also. So do try out these options and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. Always make sure to stay yourself hydrated as much as possible. Make sure that you are drinking at least 2 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail to satiate your hydration levels, to remove all the bad toxins from your body very quickly, and to promote good hydration overall for skin benefits as well. Always make sure that you attempt 2 days of intermittent fasting in a week, which helps you to detoxify yourself as well, and also prefer it as early dinner and late breakfast. Gives you good feeling of relaxation in your body as well. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306522, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin the transformation happening. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the diet plans or meal recipes. I'll be more than happy to assist you with. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More Tamil as well to watch all my videos in Tamil now. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.